Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. It's -3 this morning. Just want to show you. It's time to hit the solar panels. I'm going to have a full sunny day. I want to make maximum amount of solar power, even though we don't have a lot of sunlight on the winter time, just past winter solstice and all that. I'm going to dust the panels off real quick. -3. Brr. Doesn't take that long, unless it takes longer when there's about 3 inches of snow on top of them, but it doesn't take that long. Just wanted you to see how fast it goes. The sun is coming up, just started coming over the treetop, so it'll be here soon. I got another 10 solar panels in the backyard that I gotta dust off. Those are grid tied. Those plug into an inverter that go right into the outlet. That is the easiest way to do it. The simplest way to learn anyway how to do solar, starting from one solar panel at a time. So if you're new here, go ahead, click and subscribe. Click that little bell. And you'll see all of my upcoming videos as I slowly take the house off grid, one panel at a time. Share, like, comment, all that good stuff. Hey, this is going to be a beautiful new year coming up. Happy holidays.